Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to make loan schedule in Excel. So here we have three things: rate 10%, amount 10 lakh INR and tenure 5 years. So we are going to make a loan schedule from these three things here. So we are going to calculate our EMI, we are going to calculate our outstanding closing balance, then we are going to make our loan schedule like this. This is simple loan schedule and our loan is monthly payable at the end of the month. So we are going to calculate our EMI and how we can calculate our EMI. So let's proceed. For calculation of EMI, we need to use PMT function here, and PMT has following arguments: rate. So my rate is this. Since my loan is monthly payable, so I am dividing my rate to 12, comma. Now it is asking for number of periods. The number of period would be 5 years, and again I am multiplying this by 12 because we have monthly payment and the total installment would be 60, comma. Present value is this. Since our loan disbursement amount is this, comma. Now I don't know future value, comma. So I am skipping it. What period your loan is payable? At the end of the period or in the beginning? Since my loan is payable in the at the end of the month, so I need to use 0 here and close the parentheses and enter. Now think to be remember it. My principal amount is positive and my EMI is negative. Since whenever I will borrow the loan from the bank, it will inflow for me and EMI is a outflow for me. So that's why they have inverse relationship between these two. Now let's calculate this loan schedule. Let me delete this. So principal outstanding in the beginning is the full amount. Now EMI is this. We can lock it. Press F4 key. Now since in the first month we need to pay interest on full amount, so 10 lakh multiplied by 10% divided by 12. So I need to lock this P3, F4. Now I need to find out my closing balance. My EMI is 21,000 and interest is 8333. So I have paid principal of 12,000 and 21,000. So we need to calculate the closing balance. How we can do that? This plus this plus this. So why I'm adding these all three? Because it will take the negative impact due to inverse sign and it will subtract from this. So enter. Now you can see my closing balance is 9,87,000. Now I need to use the second year. Same. Now I can simply drag and drop. Now drag and drop, drag and drop, and drag and drop. Now you can see the closing balance is 0. It means my loan schedule is perfectly correct. So this is the loan schedule. Now you can find out any loan schedule and you may change the rate of percentage also. So this loan is fully dynamic. So keep enjoying and keep learning.